evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, May 19th, 2010. Today we had a total of 10 executable trade signals for a max potential of 66 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, well, we were trading up this morning off of an overnight low, and we actually opened right around 11:13. And soon as the open happened, we got an extension signal to the long side for targets 1 and targets 2 as we started to move up towards our half gap. Not only did we fill our half gap, we filled our full gap, and the market continued higher. Finally, right before 10 o'clock, we broke down through our moving average, got a signal to get short, and this signal produced a huge swing for us, targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside as we broke beneath our opening price for 25 ticks. That was a very big winner for us. We went down and we broke through the overnight lows, found a little bit of support there, came back up through our moving average, gave us a signal to get long right before the 10:30 time frame, and that signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 15 ticks. Volatility was just off the charts today. Came back up to our opening price, and so we made a gap fill. We went down, tested our lows, back up to our open, found a little bit of resistance at our open, got a signal to get short, got our first contract off, ultimately got stopped out of our second contract, unfortunately to the tick. This has been kind of the theme this week for a T1 -2 stop out. Came back up, had a little reset of our signals, got another signal to get short. This one worked out a little better for us, got targets 1 and targets 2 for 12 ticks as we broke through that overnight session low and continued to push down into the lunchtime dead zone. Between 11:30 and 1:15, no new trades are taken. Put in our bottoms right at 1098.75, came back up above our moving average. There was a signal generated there, but again, we do not take those trades in the dead zone. The market climbed all the way back up to the open. Just an amazing day of volatility. Came down through our moving average, gave us a signal to get short, and what happened? So many times in the afternoon, we got run over like a freight train. 2-0. Our target 0, -14 ticks, a full stop out on that trade. But as soon as that stop out happened, we got a little micro signal in our direction, got an opportunity to get long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 6 ticks. Kind of traded all the way back up past our previous day's low into our Globex high area. Found some resistance at our Globex high, came down through our moving average, got a opportunity to get an extension. That was a fast move down, got an opportunity to get an extension short that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks, and then we got into the 2:30 reversal time, kind of gave a little zigzag 1-2 action there, came back up through our moving average, ultimately got a signal to get long. Now there was 2 opportunities here. There were some folks in our room that got long on this first pullback here. Unfortunately for us, it just touched our entry, didn't give us the fill we were looking for. So the trade remained open where some folks were taking profits right here. We actually did not get filled until this juncture when it came back to the open. Got our first contract off, but by that point it was too late. Ended up getting stopped out for a 2-tick stop out. But what it did is gave us a reset of our signal. And right at the close, it was actually right here at 2:57 was the first touch. The fill happened right at 2:59, right at quitting time. But this trade could have gone either way. You could have either taken it or because you were right at the what we call the shark tank, the last hour of trading. It happened 1 minute before. So if you didn't initiate that trade, that's understandable with the stopping point being right there at 3 o'clock. But officially, it did fire T1 and T2 to the downside, 10 ticks. So just an extreme day of volatility, and it's been options expiration week, and it's just been crazy all week. It's been tiring, I'll tell you. We had 10 trades. We're only halfway through the week, 66 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, Or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.